Hey, Charles Bryce here. Make sure that you like, and subscribe because I'm checking out my motorcycle. And we're gonna see if it'll start. Anyway. Okay, so the battery died. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe my videos or my YouTube channel. And now we're going to rebuild the battery. So while I'm doing the battery, I'll tell the story. So what happened was the bike sat all winter long. That's a maintenance-free battery in it, and so I let it sit all winter long without a I did the winter without charging it. So then it ended up not being able to start. There's instructions. So anyway, what I ended up doing is I went and bought I told him I wanted a battery with the battery caps on it, right? So, with the battery caps, I wanted the maintenance battery, but that isn't what they gave me. They gave me one of these. So always look at what you're going to buy before you buy it. So this thing here is not a maintenance battery. So yeah. Never add water, never remove the sealing caps to charge. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Anyway, there's battery acid in here. Oh my gosh. It's just a little foil cap on it. This is the cap that goes on the battery here. See, this goes across them and pushes down with the board. So I asked for a maintenance-free battery, and they gave me this one. I don't know why, but anyway, this is what they gave me. Anyway, it's dry. Oh wow, look at that. So it's got little snorkels on the top. And this gets pushed down in one swift blow. So you take a board and push all these down at the same time, but not until you put acid in it, right? So what are these? I don't even know what these are. There's like these bottles in here. Yeah, let's take a look at the instructionals and see what the instructionals say. So the instructionals, they say, let's see, do that, place level, sealing plugs, remove, remove and retain sealing plugs for later use. Don't do that. Place electrolyte container upside down with the 6 sealed areas in line with the 6 filler ports. Push the whole container down strong enough to break the seals. Now electrolyte should start to flow out. Do not tilt the container one way or the other. Be sure that bubbles are generating in all 6 cells of the electrolyte container. If no bubbles are coming up, tap the bottom of this several times. Do not remove the container from the battery until all the electrolyte has flowed out. So this is dangerous. This is very dangerous. Let the battery rest for 20 minutes to allow for the acid to soak into the plates and separate. The filling process is now complete. Pull the electrolyte battery container from the batteries for certain that all acid has flowed out. Be careful not to drip any amount of remaining electrolyte. Oh my God. Place the sealing plug strip loosely over the port during the charging process. And then push this flat down. Then you charge it. Wow, this is dangerous. This is absolutely dangerous. So anyway, the way we're going to do this, here's the way I'm going to do this. Oh, that's it that way. Oh dear God. Okay, alright, okay. Okay, so here we go. Oh, alright, okay. Alright, so now I gotta put on safety stuff. This is real dangerous. I didn't realize it was that dangerous. Oh dear God. Alright, wait, I gotta get safety stuff on. I don't see my safety face shield anywhere. Alright, hang on, I gotta get safety gloves on. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, okay? I got my safety gloves. Alright, here we go. You ready for this? Here's how we're gonna do it. I think everybody should agree how I'm gonna do this. You ready for this? Move all this out of the way. So here's what we're going to do this. I think everybody would agree that this is the way to do it. Okay? Oh my God. Anyway, you ready? Oh no, here, put that back in there. Oh no, it won't work either. Oh crap. You're joking, right? I can't even, oh my God. Oh, I know what to do. Yeah, I know exactly what to do. Yeah, this is really, really, really dangerous. Anyway, we're going to cut the box off, right? We're going to cut the box off. We're going to cut the box off right through here. Okay. Like that. Right. Like that, okay? Alright. Cut that off. Now we're going to do the other part. Okay. There's the box cut off. There's that. Now we're going to stick this on this, right? Does everybody agree that's the way to do it? I don't know how else to do it. Place the, do not tilt, do not, it says, do not punk, do not peel or pierce the safety sealed areas. Right? Okay. I don't see anything about saying don't do what I'm about to do. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. pushing down on there. Oh crap. What is that? Oh my god, I can't even. Golly. Boy, that's the hardest to get down on there I have ever seen. That is crazy. I couldn't hardly push it down. And now we're going to flip it over, okay? Now we let it sit. That's it. That's all you do. You gotta turn around like this so we can see it. See there? And now flip the box off. See how we're doing? Making any? Oh look! Oh! Oh look! Oh look! They're bubbling! Oh wow! Look at that! There you go. That's how you do it. You gotta let it go. Wow, look at that. Supposed to squeeze the bottle and get it going, I guess. You just sit and wait for it. Danger, poison. Danger, danger. That was not. There you go. There you go. That's how you do it. We're leaking out anywhere. There you go. Yeah, they're all down about right here. Oh wow, you can actually coax it a little bit. Oh look, they're bubbling. Slurp, 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 slurp. That's a lot of electrolyte. I didn't know you could put that much in one. Oh, you have to do this, okay. Otherwise it ain't accepting it. You have to do this. Okay, now I gotta make sure it's higher on this side. There we go. Make sure it's kind of level. Now comes the fun part, because this don't look too much fun. It's, you gotta make sure it's all out of there, otherwise it's going to be a mess. It's acid, it's burnable. Uh-oh, there's still some in here. See, there's still some in here. See this? Come on, drink it all. Let's go. There we go. Alright, that looks good. Okay. Ooh, you can smell it. this off. Don't get it all over the place. Don't make a mess of it, Charlie. Okay. Don't drip any off. Okay, throw this in the dumpster. Okay, that's done. Now what we gotta do is put the cap on. It's still dry. My hands are still dry. So then you take this and a board. You have to do this with a board to do it one time. You can't do like one at a time. You have to do them all at the same time. Or a bar or something. Where's the board at? Oops. So then you push on it with a board like this. And you go. Oh no. What? It's not. I can't. I guess it's it. Oh crap. Now what? Oh yeah, lightly tap on them. You can hear the plastic snap down in them. So, there we go. Yep, it's level with the back. Let's see if it's going to level in the front. There we go. All done. Now we charge it up and we're finished with it. There you go. Maintenance free battery. Put it on a motorcycle.